Have you ever found yourself in that all-too-common dance of scheduling, where you're juggling phone calls, text messages, and emails, all while trying to pin down a time that works for both you and your clients? It's a bit like trying to catch smoke, isn't it? Especially when you're running a busy practice, whether you're a chiropractor, a dog groomer, a personal trainer, or a consultant. Your time is your most valuable asset. Every minute spent on back-and-forth scheduling is a minute not spent doing what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. Now, imagine a world where your clients can simply look at your calendar, see your open slots, and book an appointment themselves, anytime, anywhere. No phone tag, no missed opportunities, just seamless, efficient scheduling. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream. It's what Setmore, a powerful online scheduling platform, offers. And today, we're going to dive deep into exactly how you make those precious slots available on Setmore, transforming your scheduling chaos into calm. The beauty of Setmore lies in its simplicity and its ability to empower both you and your clients. For you, it means reclaiming your time and focusing on your expertise. For your clients, it means unparalleled convenience and a frustration-free booking experience. We're talking about a system that works 24/7, even when you're sleeping, so you never miss a potential booking. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting up your availability, let's understand the foundational elements that make Setmore tick. At its core, Setmore operates on the principle of defining your working hours and then allowing clients to book within those defined periods. Think of it as drawing the boundaries of your availability. Within those boundaries, Setmore automatically presents the open slots for your clients to choose from. The first crucial step, and perhaps the most important, is setting up your staff profile and working hours. Every service you offer in Setmore is linked to a staff member, even if you're a solopreneur. This is where you tell Setmore when you or your team members are generally available. To do this, you'll navigate to the Staff tab in your Setmore account. Here, you'll see a list of all your staff members. If you're just starting, it will likely be just you. Click on your profile and you'll find a section for working hours. This is where the magic begins. You can set your standard daily availability, for example, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But Setmore is smart enough to know that not every week is the same. You might have a day where you start later or a day where you finish earlier. Setmore allows for this flexibility, enabling you to customize your hours for each day of the week. This is your baseline availability. Now, what if you offer different services that require different durations or are only available on specific days? This brings us to the second crucial element: services. In Setmore, each service you offer, whether it's a 30-minute consultation, a 60-minute massage, or a 90-minute dog grooming session, needs to be created and configured. When you create a service, you'll define its duration. This is critical because Setmore uses this duration to calculate how many slots are available within your working hours. For example, if you're available for 8 hours and offer a 1-hour service, Setmore knows there are 8 potential slots. But it goes deeper than that. You can also assign specific staff members to specific services. So, if only one of your team members offers a particular service, you can ensure that only their availability is shown for that service. This prevents clients from trying to book a service with a staff member who isn't qualified or available to provide it. Furthermore, within each service, you can specify buffer time. This is a lifesaver for busy professionals. Imagine finishing one appointment and immediately having another client walking in. No time to reset, no time to prepare for the next client. Buffer time allows you to automatically add a short break before and/or after each appointment. So, a 30-minute consultation with a 15-minute buffer after it will actually block out 45 minutes on your calendar, ensuring you have that crucial transition time. This might seem small, but it significantly impacts your daily flow and reduces burnout. Beyond your regular working hours, life happens. You might have a doctor's appointment, a personal day, or a team meeting that takes you away from your usual schedule. This is where block time comes into play. Setmore allows you to easily block out specific periods on your calendar. This is immensely useful for one-off events or recurring non-client-facing activities. When you block out time, those slots instantly become unavailable to clients trying to book through your online booking page. It's a quick way to adjust your availability without altering your standard working hours. Let's not forget the power of classes if you offer group sessions. While individual appointments are straightforward, Setmore also supports booking for classes, workshops, or group training sessions. When you set up a class, you define its capacity, the duration, and the specific times and dates it's offered. Setmore then handles the sign-ups, displaying the remaining spots and closing registrations once the class is full. This is perfect for yoga instructors, fitness coaches, or even educational tutors running group sessions. Now, all of this setup culminates in the online booking page. This is your client-facing portal, your digital storefront for appointments. Once you've configured your staff, services, and working hours, Setmore automatically populates this page with your available slots. Clients simply visit your unique booking page URL, choose the service they want, select their preferred staff member, if applicable, and then see a real-time display of all your open appointments. It's intuitive, it's user-friendly, and it completely removes the need for manual back-and-forth communication. You can customize your booking page to match your brand, adding your logo, a description of your services, and even testimonials. The goal is to make it as inviting and informative as possible, guiding your clients seamlessly through the booking process. You can embed this booking page directly onto your website, share the link on your social media, or even include it in your email signature. The more accessible your booking page, the easier it is for clients to find and book with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.